Hey there, foodies. Today, we're going to talk about the Honor X9c 5G is a mid-range smartphone that combines modern design, capable performance, and useful features at an affordable price. Here's a breakdown of its key specifications and features. Key specifications. Display 6.78-inch OLED screen with a 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. Processor powered by the Snapdragon 695 5G chipset. RAM and storage typically equipped with 8 GB of RAM and internal storage options starting from 128 GB. Camera system. Rear. Triple camera setup including a 6MP primary camera, 8MP ultra-wide lens, and front 16MP selfie camera for video calls and self-portraits. Battery, 5100 mAh battery with 40W fast charging, enabling quick top-ups. Operating system, runs on Magic OS 7.2 based on Android 13. Connectivity. Supports 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB Type-C. Additional features: fingerprint sensor, facial recognition, and enhanced privacy controls. Notable features: design. The device boasts a sleek and slim build with curved edges, making it comfortable to hold and visually appealing. Display quality. The OLED display provides rich colors and deep blacks, enhancing video playback and gaming experiences. Camera performance. The primary camera delivers detailed images in good lighting, while the ultra-wide lens expands the field of view. The macro lens, though functional, performs best in well-lit conditions. Battery life. The 5100 mAh battery ensures all-day usage under typical conditions, and the 40W fast charging means you can quickly recharge when needed. Software. Magic OS 7.2 offers a user-friendly experience with customization options and features like multi-window mode. Strengths: attractive design with a premium feel. High refresh rate display for smoother interactions. Reliable main camera for everyday photography. Good battery capacity with fast charging support. Limitations: the Snapdragon 695 5G, while adequate for general use, may not provide top-tier performance for intensive gaming or demanding applications. The macro camera could use enhancements for better close-up photography. Overall, the Honor X9c 5G is a strong choice for users who prioritize style, display quality, and balanced day-to-day performance without breaking the bank.